Hi, I'm Logan Lester with the Sandstone Group, and welcome to 4040 San Felipe, Unit 168. We're so excited to present our newest listing in the heart of River Oaks. This condo features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. It also has a covered patio as well as washer and dryer connections. Just outside your front door is the courtyard and pool area with covered parking as well as 24-hour manned guard gate services. Come take a look. Thank you for touring 4040 San Felipe, Unit 168. For more information, contact the Sandstone Group and we'll give you a tour.